Question number 8. The term ecosystem was proposed by uns. The correct answer is D. Tansley. The term ecosystem was first used by A.G. Tansley in 1935. Term ecosystem was coined by A.G. Tansley. Number 2. The number of organisms that can be supported by the environment in a given area is known as uns. The correct answer is B. The maximum population size that an ecosystem can support is called capacity. Carrying capacity is the number of organisms that an ecosystem can sustainably support. Hence option B is correct. Number 13. The actual location or place where an organism lives is called uns. The correct answer is A. Habitat. The location or place where an organism lives is called a habitat. Number 4. Which one of the following is the largest ecosystem of the world? The correct answer is A. Ocean. Aquatic ecosystem refers to living and non-living parts of a water body and the interactions that take place among them. Aquatic ecosystems can be categorized in the marine ecosystem and freshwater ecosystem. Marine ecosystem covers approximately 71% of the Earth's surface and contains approximately 97% of the planet's water. Number 5. The highest trophic level in an ecosystem is obtained by. The correct answer is C. Omnivores. There are 4 types of trophic levels in the food chain of the ecosystem. They are first trophic level, producer; second trophic level, primary consumers, herbivorous; third trophic level, secondary consumers, carnivorous; fourth trophic level, tertiary consumers, omnivorous. Decomposers feed on all the above trophic levels. Hence option C is the correct answer. Number 6. Which of the following are the primary consumers in an ecosystem? Select the correct answer from the codes given below. The correct answer is A. Mainly herbivores in a food chain are considered as primary consumers. In the given options, deer is herbivorous, hence it is a primary consumer. Ants fall under decomposer and primary consumers both. It eats plants and receives energy from cellulose. Tiger is carnivorous and the fox is omnivorous. Significantly, primary consumers feed on primary producers, plants. Hence option A is the correct answer. Number 7. Driving force of an ecosystem is. The correct answer is D. Solar energy. Solar energy is the primary source of energy in the ecological body. It is the driving force of an ecosystem. Number 8. Concerning the food chains in ecosystems, which of the following kinds of an organism are known as decomposer organisms? The correct answer is 3. Decomposers are nature's recyclers as they break down the organic matter found in the dead bodies of plants and animals. The term organic matter refers to the matter that comes from living organisms. Number 9. 10% law is related with. The correct answer is transfer of energy as food from one trophic level to other. The 10% law of transfer of energy from one trophic level to the next was introduced by Raymond Lindemann in 1942. Number 10. In the marine environment, the main primary producers are. The correct answer is phytoplanktons. Phytoplankton, also known as microalgae, are similar to terrestrial plants in that they contain chlorophyll and require sunlight to live and grow. Most phytoplankton are buoyant and float in the upper part of the ocean, where sunlight penetrates the water. Phytoplankton also requires inorganic nutrients such as nitrates, phosphates, and sulfur, which they convert into proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Number 11. Trophic level I includes. The correct answer is D. Green plants. Each step or level of the food chain forms a trophic level. Trophic level I includes autotrophs or the producers, i.e. green plants, which fix up solar energy and make it available for heterotrophs or the consumers. The herbivores, primary consumer, come at second, small carnivores at third, and tertiary consumer, large carnivores, form the fourth trophic level. Number 12. The pyramid of energy in any ecosystem is uns. A. Always upright. Pyramid of energy is always upright, can never be inverted, because when energy flows from a particular trophic level to the next trophic level, some energy is always lost as heat at each step. Each bar in the energy pyramid indicates the amount of energy present at each trophic level in a given time or annually per unit area. Hence option A is correct. Number 13. Which one of the following organisms is likely to show the highest concentration of DDT once it has been introduced into the ecosystem? The correct answer is C. Snake. DDT is a non-biodegradable, biomagnifying pollutant which increases in concentration from producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers to tertiary consumers. In the question, only the snake represents the tertiary consumers, so the concentration of DDT will be highest in the snake. Number 14. Which one of the following trees is considered to be an environmental hazard? The correct answer is eucalyptus. Eucalyptus consumes more groundwater than other trees. That is why it often called enemy of the environment. The water level goes down across the area of eucalyptus plantation. These plants are mostly found in Australia. Number 15. The concept of the ecological niche was enunciated as A. Grinnell. Joseph Grinnell referred to the ecological or environmental niche as the ultimate distributional unit of species and subspecies. Number 16. The concept of ecological transition was first used by Ernst B. Bennett. The concept of ecological transition was first used by John W. Bennett. He proposed the concept in his book The Ecological Transition, Cultural Anthropology and Human Adaptation. Ecological transition mean the development of an anthropocentric orientation toward the natural world that emerged in the Western Renaissance but has since characterized every civilization and nation. Number 17. Consider the following statements relating to the ecosystem. The correct answer is A. Ek and do. The term ecosystem was first used by A.G. Tansley. Hence statement Ek is correct. Biotic components are the living things that shape an ecosystem. Autotrophic components are self-feeding organisms of the ecosystem. These produce their food themselves. Hence statement 2 is also correct. Consumers are organisms of an ecological food chain which receive energy by consuming other organisms. These organisms are formally referred to as heterotrophs. Hence, statement 13 is wrong. Organic matter is recycled in an ecosystem by decomposers. Decomposers are organisms such as bacteria and fungi that break down the organic matter of the dead bodies of plants and animals into inorganic material. Hence, statement 4 is also wrong. Number 18. Ecology is permanent economy is the slogan of which movement? The correct answer is C. Chipko movement. Ecology is permanent economy is the slogan of Chipko movement. Narmada Bachao Andolan was against the construction of a multimodal dam on the Narmada River. Appiko movement was started in Karnataka for environmental protection. Number 19. Which one of the following is the largest ecosystem of the earth? The correct answer is D. Biosphere on the earth. The biosphere is the largest ecosystem. Biosphere consists of all the ecosystems that are present on the earth. Biosphere is the regions of the surface, atmosphere, and hydrosphere of the earth or analogous parts of other planets occupied by living organisms. Number B. The cycling of elements in an ecosystem is called as. The correct answer is B. Biogeochemical cycles in earth science. A biogeochemical cycle is a pathway by which a chemical substance moves through both biotic and abiotic components of earth. Biogeochemical cycles of nitrogen, phosphorus, and carbon, etc. are found in nature. Number 21. The discussion on sustainable development was started after submitting a report on environment to the United Nations in 1987. That report was. The correct answer is B. After the submission of the report Our Common Future, also known as the Brundtland Report, which was published by World Commission on Environment and Development, WCED, in 1987, the discussion on sustainable development was started. Number 22. What is blue carbon? The correct answer is A. Blue carbon is simply the term for carbon captured by the world's ocean and coastal ecosystems. Number 23. Saving energy and other resources for the future without sacrificing people's comfort in the present is the definition of which of the following concepts? The correct answer is sustainable development. Number 24. Which of the following sustainable development goal, SDG, will target the water availability for all and its permanent management up to 2030 in India? The correct answer is A. SDG 6. Number 25. When and where the National Environment Engineering Research Institute, NERI, was established? The correct answer is B. 1958, Nagpur. Number 26. To label environment-friendly consumer products, the government has introduced. The correct answer is Eco Mark. Number 27. Sustainable agriculture means. The correct answer is C. To utilize land so that its quality remains intact. Number 28. The Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee is constituted under the. The correct answer is Environment Protection Act 1986.